Why isn't my Bluetooth keyboard connecting to my device?
Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to address a common issue that many of us face, Bluetooth keyboard connectivity problems. We'll go through a few steps to help you diagnose and fix this issue.
Is your Bluetooth enabled and functioning?
Firstly, we need to ensure that the Bluetooth functionality on your device is enabled. Many devices have a simple toggle in the settings menu to turn Bluetooth on or off. Also, verify that your device is not in airplane mode, as this can often disable Bluetooth connectivity.
Is your keyboard charged and turned on?
The next step is to ensure that your Bluetooth keyboard is properly powered. Check if your keyboard is charged and switched on. Many keyboards have a light indicator to show whether they're powered or not. If your keyboard uses batteries, you might want to try replacing them.
Is the keyboard in pairing mode?
When you're certain that both your device and your keyboard are properly powered and have Bluetooth enabled, it's time to make sure that your keyboard is in pairing mode. Different keyboards have different ways to initiate pairing mode, so refer to your keyboard's instruction manual if you're not sure how to do this.
Have you selected the correct keyboard?
When your keyboard is in pairing mode, it should appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices on your device. You will need to select your keyboard from this list in order to pair the two devices.
Are there any interferences?
If you're still having problems, consider possible interference. Other electronic devices or physical barriers between your device and keyboard can sometimes cause connection issues. Try to minimize these potential sources of interference.
Have you tried resetting your Bluetooth connection?
If none of the above steps have worked, you may need to reset your Bluetooth connection. This can often be done in your device's settings menu. You may also need to remove or forget the keyboard from your device's list of paired devices and try pairing it again from scratch. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you solve your Bluetooth keyboard connectivity issues. Remember, technology can sometimes be unpredictable, and it's often just a matter of going through these basic troubleshooting steps to get things working again. As always, if you continue to have problems, you may need to consult with a tech professional or contact the manufacturer of your keyboard.